Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios. I gotta do this in one take. I wanna show off some kick-ass Bluetooth speakers. Now, you see, here's my laptop playing a Kid Rock live concert. I'm from Michigan, so Kid Rock's pretty awesome. Now I'm walking across the house. I'm gonna walk outside. I've got the speakers outside. I wanna show you the distance. Oh, there we go, unlock the door. And I want to show you how far away this is. All right, are you hearing Kid Rock yet? Walking all the way outside, out to the pool. And here this is. And the sound quality is fantastic. It probably won't transfer well on the speaker, on the phone, but it's pretty awesome. Now here's the best part, right? See the pool? See the spa? See, make sure I get this. One take. It's amazing, right? Waterproof. I'm not kidding around. I test these things out for real. I've had some real crappy speakers before. These are the real deal, folks. We're talking 50, 60 feet away in the water, this thing's still playing. I'll put a link in the description below. We're going to talk a little bit more about it. So let's kick it off right about now. How to hell with it. I'm still wet. We're walking all the way up to the studios. Let's see how far this Bluetooth really covers. Hey, Jeanette. It's my dog, Jeanette. Let's go upstairs. Going upstairs. Bluetooth, baby. Waterproof. All right. Turn the lights on. I'm going to take a second to turn on the lights. We're going to leave it playing. All right, folks. Let's see if I can turn the volume down. There we go. We got the volume way down. I know not everyone's a Kid Rock fan. I walked you to where this is playing in my living room. Walked you all the way outside by the lake to the spa. All the way back in the house, across, above the garage, over to the studio. This thing is still playing. Waterproof. It's the waterproof. And easy to set up. All I had to do, just go to Bluetooth, turn it on, press the power. It's got an equalizer button here. Let me go ahead and take a break so I can do a little grab the box and go through the details for you. But I really just wanted to show you how good the waterproofing and the Bluetooth is on this. I was burned last week. A company wanted me to review their Bluetooth speaker. It was absolutely trash. I refused to do it. They got mad at me. They're not going to work with me again. I'm only going to work with good companies. I'm not going to put up crappy videos for you just because some company in China made a Bluetooth speaker. I don't give it. This is an awesome speaker. I'm in love with it. Let me take a break, grab the box, turn on the other light over here, and we'll do the full video. All right, folks. So thank you for giving me a moment to discuss right there. I just pressed pause on it. Kid Rock is still playing downstairs. A really nice speaker. I wanted to make sure I did him justice. I went downstairs, grabbed the box. I just got overzealous. I really like the speaker. And the fact that it really reaches so far. The Bluetooth was easy to set up. Most of you know, if you get a good device, Bluetooth should be easy to set up. You turn it on. It also came a little bit of a charge. You're going to want to charge it. Looks like it's a USB-C and just under this flap. Keeps it water resistant. I said waterproof earlier in the video. Technically, a lot of companies get very specific. They can't say waterproof. It's water resistant, but you can see I dunked this bad boy in the water and it did pretty well. Not necessarily recommended, but I just wanted to prove how good the speaker was. Something else I noticed that there's a real deep bass to the speaker. It has the equalizer. You can change that around a little bit. Very honestly, a lot of times you can pick up a Bluetooth speaker fairly cheap on Amazon and they don't sound great. The size magnets and the things that they have on the inside really make a difference. This is a heavy, sturdy speaker. I get hit with water from doing that. It's a heavy, sturdy speaker. You can tell it has a big magnet and has a deeper bass sound to it. Some of the cheaper speakers out there, they put a little speaker in there. It's kind of the difference. I would compare it to your newer Alexas. You know how they, for the size of them, they must have a pretty good speaker on them. They sound pretty good. This is very similar. This is to where it will sync in with your Alexa through your Alexa app on your phone. It'll sync in with just about anything. I tied it into I would normally tie it into my phone, but in this case, I tied it into my laptop because I just thought that that would be easier for showing the video playing and all that. So anyway, folks, a lot of companies want me to show, volume up, volume down, next song, that sort of thing, long holds, things like that. Really intuitive, straightforward. A speaker I tried to review last week, it didn't make sense. You had to press the M button twice to go to the next song. It was dumb. Very straightforward. Good battery on here, USB-C. You can tell that they put everything into this. Zamkol, Z-A-M-K-O-L. Plug and play is what I always say in terms of it's easy. You just click it, turn it on, it's ready to go. You charge it with USB-C, which is pretty much the same way you charge every battery on the planet. Let me see if there's any other specs on here. Their Facebook is support. You can contact them at support@zamkol.com. They do have the bar you can scan, get to their Facebook, and it says hands-free calling. That's great. I think a lot of good devices have that. I don't personally use it a lot, but I think that's great to have. Superior sound, TWS speakers, powerful output, and IPX7 water resistant is technically the term. And you can go to zamkol.com. I'll put the links and information in the description below, and if there's any other information that you need to know on the details and specs, I'll put that below. But really, I'm just here to look at something and tell you if it is the cream of the crop, and it is. And frankly, I'm telling companies now, I've grown enough in my channel, that if they don't have a good product, they can get the heck out of here. I'm trying not to curse as much. They can get the heck out of here because I don't want to tell you guys about bad products. You're not going to pay me $500 and I'm going to tell you to go buy a bad product. Only the good stuff, folks. Zamkol wireless stereo speaker, great coverage, great sound, great water resistance. I'm a big fan, so go pick one up today. Thanks again for watching. Click like and subscribe. We have new videos how often? Pretty much all the time. Adios, amigos.